Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box of the Technical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Monday, the 22nd of June. These are the charts of the day. Well, we had a negative day on Wall Street. Market did bounce towards the end of the day, but the key support now lies at 74.60 and NDX 30,200. Not sure where we're going to go, but the market sure looks like it's got vulnerability here, so be careful going forward. But there are some stocks, quite a few, that have acted well. Take a look at ALOY. The stock popped today, 208 or 11.7%, and it's at a new multi-month high. Looks to me like it's got trending, volume, and technicals that could take this stock into the mid to high 20s, maybe low 30s. The FTX exploded today. That's one of the really pretty looking rising channels that suddenly accelerated and blew through the top of that on strong news. Was it good day trade for us today? It went from 24 to 42, 24 and a half to 42, and finished back around 35. The stock looks like it could extend back again. Obviously, resistance is in a 40-42 range. We'll see if it does anything further than that. DRAM, the ETF for the micro memory group, you can see a long 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now trending towards the top of the channel. So be careful not only with this stock, but that whole group. EHGO 2 days ago exploded and then pulled back sharply, nearly filling the gap. Today jumping back up from 178 to 675, or settling way back at 378. It was still up $2 or 110% on 116 million. So with a double top now at 652, 6.5 area, that is now your resistance. KIEL continues to look really good. It should be a tech trader swing at this point. I think the stock, if it gets to the high of 28, could be 35, even 40. HIVE popped out to a new 8 or 9 month high, and now maybe trending higher. The next target is around 6.5, followed by 8. Strong trend underway. HQ going vertical. 7 days in a row. It's overbought, extended. It did reach 45 from 10 just in the last 7 days. I'd be awfully careful on this one. There is momentum that could carry it higher, but I'd be, again, really careful on this one to make sure you have stops in place if you're trading it. KIEL is a stock I really like the look of. Nice rising channel, 45-degree angle, with a target now around 9. MGNX, a little more thinly traded, but a beautiful base breakout, consolidation, double flag, breakout, another flag, another pop today of 56 cents at 13.5%. Volume was just 2 million, but it's a thinly traded stock. It might accelerate. 5 3/4 is my next target. ORKA had a big day today. It's exploded from 1563 at 22%. Volume was 4.2 million. Thinly traded biotech stock and trending. Now getting through this area could run it into the $100 range. Arcus Biosciences spiked today. Came across this declining top sign out of that 2-month consolidation, and closing at the highest close we've seen, going all the way back to 2022. The next target on this one could be mid-30s. SanDisk, a major component of the DRAM ETF, and an incredible strong chart pattern just since the end of March, when it traded at 3.5, is now 45. This is the ETF for SNXX. And right now, looking the way it looks now, if the angle keeps up, the trajectory does too, the stock could be substantially higher. But as momentum carries it higher. But notice that each peak here has come on lower volume. Possible divergence, or at least a waning of volume, could mean loss of momentum, but the underlying technicals and the unbalanced volume still very strong. SOXL, the ETF for the semiconductors, you can see making yet another new high up, 17 points today, 6%. 6% more broke out and may extend towards 400, or at least 350 to start. Incredible. If we get a blow off in the market, this could be one of those stocks that leads the way, or the ETFs anyway. SYRE, look at this chart. Another spike up, 15.5 points or 17.5% on 2.8 million. Trending towards the top of the channel. Target is about 115. TE broke through some resistance today. It may be on its way higher. Resistance at first target is about 12 and a quarter. Beyond that, mid-teens. UMC, United Micro, thinly traded. You can see how it gaps. This is a foreign company. And you can see it up 342 or 14% today. The stock trades to new all-time highs. It's taken out the high from 20 years ago. But it's really extended here, and this could be an exhaustion gap, so be careful. But momentum could carry this into the low 30s. And finally, Wi-Fi broke out 3 days ago and just kept going. And only in the last 2 weeks has this gone from 22 to 48, more than doubled, with huge momentum. But it's extended to the point where it needs to maybe come down and consolidate. Nevertheless, momentum could carry this a little bit further into the 50s. And that's a look at some of the hot stocks at thetechtrader.com. This is HP signing off. Have a great evening. See you tomorrow.